Hi guys, my name's Kara. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to file an LLC as well as get your EIN number in the state of Texas. So this video tutorial is going to be about 5 minutes, maybe a minute longer or a minute shorter, but either way we're going to get through it really fast, and by the end of this video you're going to have your LLC filed. And I highly suggest to also do your EIN number while we're here, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that also. So to get started, just click the link in the description below. It's going to take you right to the Taylor Brands website, and that way you can follow along with me while I'm talking, and you can do it step by step with me. So let's get right into it. So to start off with, we're going to click the state of Texas. And you're just going to type in your business name right here to make sure it's available. So I do mobile eyelash extensions. I go to people's houses and do their lashes. So I'm just going to type that in. All right, we're just going to hit next. And what stage is your business currently in? This part doesn't really affect your LLC at all. So just click whatever best applies for you. And what industry is your business in? So maybe you might fit into a couple different categories, or you're not too sure. So just start to type in, anything. You'll see as you type a letter in, and like a million options come up, which is awesome. So you could fall into a lot of different categories. So pick the one that's best for you. You see as I type eyelash, we get a couple options. I'm gonna click eyelash extensions. And for me, I'm providing a professional service. Maybe you're selling a physical item instead. And if you have something that isn't either a service or a goods, you can type that in here, but most of the time you're probably offering either a service or physical goods. So click one of these two and we'll hit next. And are you planning to hire employees? Again, this part doesn't matter as far as filing your LLC. It's just something helpful for Taylor Brands to have in case you're working with them on other business. For me, it's just myself, so I'm going to click no. If you're not sure, click not sure. If you have yes, hit yes. Let's go next. And you're just going to type in your zip code. Okay, and where are you serving your customers primarily? So maybe you're selling something online, maybe you have a shop or a store that you sell at, or maybe you're on the go, maybe you are mobile. So for me, I am mobile. I'm going to click on the go. Now, sometimes you might fall into a couple of these categories. So let's say I have a website where I'm selling products and I'm also on the go doing mobile. Pick which one is like the heart of your business. So for me, it's on the go doing mobile services. All right, let's click next. And what are you planning to do for your business? So you're just going to make sure that LLC is highlighted in blue. And we're also going to click EIN. So the reason I want you to file your EIN number today is because your EIN is basically like the social security number of your business. It's really important to have this. You're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're definitely going to need it too if you open a business bank account or business credit card. So it's just something good to have. You can do it outside of this website if you want to. I just feel like it's so much easier. Just get it all done. We're here. Let's get it all out of the way. We don't have to worry about it later, and you already have those two things done. And Taylor Brands also offers all these other services too. So if you want to click any of these as well, you can, or if you want to go back in later after this video and click one, let's say you need, let's say you need insurance for something, or maybe, you're looking to get a logo made. They have all these options here, which is very cool. So for this video, we're just clicking LLC and EIN. And this is asking what you've currently done, what you've done already. I'm going to just click skip. And how did you discover Taylor Brands? Through YouTube, through this video. Okay, and Taylor Brands offers this free 12-week coaching program for your business. I mean, it's free. I feel like it's always good to learn something new, and being that it's free, there's nothing to lose. So click join the program if you'd like. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. Okay, and then you're just going to make a secret password for yourself. Okay, and again, this is asking if you'd like 𝗓𝘗 Brands to help you with your EIN. I definitely recommend it. If you want to do it on your own, you can, but I just feel like there's room for error, and you might as well have 𝗓𝘗 Brands do it for you. It's an extra $99, and that gets done today within the next, literally 3 minutes. We're almost done. So I like to click this and have them do it for me. Okay, and as far as being a registered agent, if you live in the state that you're filing your LLC in, most of the time you are going to be your own registered agent. Especially if you're just starting your own business, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you live in a state that's different than the state you're filing your LLC in, so let's say you live in New York and you're filing one in Texas, then you may need to appoint a different registered agent. Or if your accountant says otherwise, you're going to have 𝗓𝘗 Brands help you out and figure out who should be your registered agent. But again, most of the time you will be your own. So let's hit next. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, and every single year you do need to renew your LLC. So that's no matter what state you're in, you always need to renew it every single year. So if you forget to renew it, what's going to happen? You can lose the name of your business, somebody could take that name, or you have to refile it and redo this whole process. And it's just a pain, it's more money, and just try to avoid that at all costs. So if you think you might forget to renew it, 𝗓𝘗 Brands can do that for you every single year. It's $199. It renews yearly. If you think that you can remember to do it and you're going to be on top of it, then click I will handle the compliance. I'm going to try to save a little bit of money, so I'm going to click I'll handle the compliance. But this option is definitely here for you. All right, and would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. And do you want your LLC filed and expedited to you in 2 days for $49? Yes, I definitely do. I'm excited. I want to get my business started. Let's go. So might as well pay that $49, get it to you in 2 days. Now, if you're not in a rush and you have some time, it's right in the beginning, you can definitely click this option here. It's 2 weeks. They'll still get you your LLC and there's no additional fee. But I would like it in 2 days. So I'm going to click this. And your operating agreement, you don't need to worry about this. So click I'll figure it out myself. Formation kit, I'm going to pass. Okay, and also a very cool service that 𝗓𝘗 Brands offers is that they can help you with all your invoicing and bookkeeping. So basically, they're going to get you organized and get you set up for success. So maybe you don't have a plan set up yet of how you're really going to take control of your finances and the income that's coming into your business. 𝗓𝘗 Brands can do this for you. They offer you free trials. So if you want to try it out, maybe you're not great with math, it's not your strong point, or you just don't want to make any mistakes at all. 𝗓𝘗 Brands offers to do this for you and help you out with it. I don't know the total cost, but they will give you an estimate at the end and let you know, and then you see if it works out for you. For me, I'm just a small business. It's just myself. So I'm going to click I will manage my own books and invoices. And do you want to get notified about your LLC? Let's click yes. Okay, so we have a couple different plan options here. All that you need for today for filing the LLC and the EIN number is the light plan, they call it. It's free. There's nothing extra added to it. Now, feel free to check these out as well, but you really only need this light plan. Okay, so here is what you're paying for today. So the Texas filing fee, the state filing fee is $309 for your LLC. That is whether you do it through 𝗓𝘗 Brands or somewhere else, you will always have to pay that $309. And even if you open 5 more businesses this year in Texas, you have to pay $309 for every single one that you open. So that's just a mandatory fee. They're also giving you this free business coaching program. Very cool. Why not? We have our 2-day expedited filing time for $49. And this stuff is not highlighted, so you'll see that you're not paying for that. And your EIN number is $99 for your grand total. And then you can just pay right here. After this part, it's going to ask you some questions like your home address and your name and really easy stuff like that. So make sure you just complete the whole process. But that's it, you guys. We have completed this so fast. Your LLC and EIN number are now filed. They're working on it and they're going to get it to you in 2 days. So that's it. It's that easy. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you in the next one.